Hey everyone, check out the Miucat 133-piece Elephant Baby Boy Shower Decorations set that brings charm and color to your party. This kit includes a blue balloon garland, baby boxes with letters, an adorable It's a Boy backdrop, a tablecloth, and cute elephant cake toppers. With 92 latex balloons in 4 sizes, plus confetti and star foil balloons, it creates a festive atmosphere perfect for baby showers or gender reveals. The high-quality, odorless materials ensure safety and durability, making your celebration both fun and worry-free. The elephant theme adds a unique touch, ideal for newborn photo shoots or first birthdays. Plus, the kit comes with everything you need, including ribbon and glue dots for easy setup. Get ready to impress your guests with this stunning and complete baby shower decoration set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.